Hello everybody! In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful wreath using mainly Dollar Tree items. So if you would like to learn how to make this, please keep watching! So what you're gonna need is this wreath made of branches. You're gonna need some flowers of your choice. I chose some neutral flowers with a few colorful flowers. You're gonna need this leaf garland. I don't know what these are called, but these bulb type of flowers as well. So we'll just call it that for now. And some pine cones. So I decided to use 3 big pine cones. So this is going to be an optional step. Since I wanted my wreath to have a gold neutrally effect, I'm taking my trusty old gold spray paint that I absolutely love and gently spraying the garland leaves. I'm also going to be fully covering these bulb flowers with gold as well, and the pine cones just a gentle squirt of this spray paint as well. Again, you don't have to do this, you can keep it as is, but I just really wanted this because I wanted a gold tinge onto my wreath. And also with my colorful flowers, I just did like a hint of gold spray paint on those as well. So actual step 1 is taking your leaf garland and wrapping it around your branch leaf. And again, you're going to wait till the gold dries or whatever color you want if you want to spray paint it. Otherwise, just go ahead and wrap the regular leaf garland around the whole wreath. And here's what it looks like after it is all wrapped up. Pretty easy. So step 2 is going to be gluing the garland leaves down onto the actual wreath. So you can see right now the leaves are kind of all over the place. Some of the leaves kind of ended up behind the wreath as well. So you just want to take your hot glue gun and you just want to actually attach it to the wreath onto the front. That way it looks more fuller. There's more just volume and more surface space covered by leaves, and it just looks a lot better. So after it's all glued, this is what it looks like. You can see it looks so much more fuller. It just looks like there's a lot more leaves on here, and it just looks so much prettier to me. So the next thing we're going to do is take these pine cones and we're going to attach them to the wreath. So I have them sitting up, that's how I decided, but if you wanted, you could turn them sideways like this as well. I just liked the gold was popping more to me when it was sitting up, and it was just easier for me to glue on, but you could do either or. I just like the gold showing there. And then the next step is to add flowers of your choice. So again, I stuck with neutral color flowers and a few colorful flowers, so some just red and orange and yellow. And before I glue things on, I like to kind of play around with the arrangement to see what I like. So that's what I'm doing here right now, just kind of playing around to see how this would look together. And then when I like what the arrangement looks like, that's when I know to glue it down. So this is the flower arrangement that I like, so I've glued everything down now, and your next step is going to be taking the bulb-like flowers that are gold. You're going to flip the wreath over onto the other side, and we're going to glue them on the back. So again, I also like to put the bulb wreaths in an arrangement so I can see what it's like and see if it's what I would like for it to look like. I would recommend to try to get all the bulbs going in the same direction. It just looks better than if they were all over the place. And then when you do that and you like what you're seeing, just glue that down as well. And now this is what it looks like, all glued with the back on the bulbs. And now it's time for the big reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! This is this on my front door. I absolutely love how it turned out. I actually added one more red flower to make it more symmetrical. But yeah, I think it's absolutely gorgeous and stunning, and I just love how it looks. This is how it looks from far away, and I just love driving off every day and seeing what it looks like on my door. I think it just looks so beautiful, and I'm just so happy with the way it turned out. I hope you enjoyed. Till next time, bye! Love you guys! Mwah!